Okay, this one has a negative exponent, but don't be scared. Follow the process. Step one, ra- isolate the rational exponent expression. So we need to subtract 3 from both sides. We get 2 equals 4a to the negative 1 6. Then we need to divide by 4. Okay, now you may wonder, well, we didn't divide by 27 here. No, we didn't because the 27 was inside the parenthesis. So when I had this parenthesis isolated, that was what I needed. But this one, that we're doing, the 4 is not inside of the parenthesis. The exponent is only going to the a. So once I subtract the 3, I get 2, and then I have to divide by that 4, which is 1/2, but I'm writing it as 0.5 just for ease of typing the Desmos or into your calculator. And so you have 0.5 equals a to the negative 1 6. Well, what do we do now? Well, we still want to raise both sides to the 6. Remember, you're raising to the denominator. So we raise both sides to the 6, and I typed that in Desmos, and that's a nasty decimal. Do not be tempted to round that. You need the whole thing, okay? So that's what you get on the left side. And on the right side, negative 1 6 times 6, because a power to a power you multiply, is just negative 1. Now, I need to get just a to the first. That's how I solve for the variable. So I'm thinking of power to a power. If I raise both sides of the negative first, what's negative 1 times negative 1? That's 1. So I'll have a to the first. So I did that, typed in the Desmos, and it turned out to be a nice, pretty 64. So a is 64. You plug it back in, and sure enough, 5 equals 5. So you're good to go.